Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making sure you can access Rise's story early. Load a save just after her introduction in July. Once done, open a note app and mark the date and scene names as you play so you track progress. Make sure subtitles are on and audio levels highlight background lines. You'll catch optional dialogue that reveals info. Don't waste time on menu toggles. Jump straight into the first hangout or TV scenes to trigger her earliest responses and observe reactions. Next, focus on the middle sequence of interactions. Prioritize Rise's social link events and select supportive, curious responses to accelerate rank ups. Once done, make sure to visit locations tied to her scenes, TV studio bits, the beach, and shopping mall, because each location reveals different facts about her background and feelings. Save before pivotal choices and reload to capture alternate dialogue. This gives you a fuller picture. Also compare rival responses in battle or press sequences to understand her public persona versus private side. To finish, complete the remaining Rise events and watch her concluding scenes so everything aligns into a coherent profile. If a scene doesn't trigger, reload a save from earlier the same day or check that you met prerequisite events. Some scenes require specific party members or calendar dates. Once you've captured material, export short clips or transcripts and assemble notes into a single summary. That way you preserve alternate lines and reconcile contradictions for a clear, usable character briefing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.